Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a child page or subpage in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, let's navigate to wordpress.com and then log into your account. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. At this point, direct your attention to the Quick Links section. In this area, look for the Edit Site option and click on it. The Edit Site area is a powerful part of the WordPress interface that allows you to customize various elements of your website, including pages, menus, and design components. With the site editor open, your next objective is to manage the navigation menu that appears on your website's header. If you observe the header area, you should see a menu that directs visitors to different parts of your website. Click on this navigation menu area. This action will open additional settings and options related to menu management. Now that you have familiarized yourself with both the navigation menu and the settings panel, the final step involves adjusting the page hierarchy to create a subpage structure. To do this, select the appropriate page you wish to demote and then drag it downward so that it nests under another page. This action establishes a clear parent-child relationship between the pages, ensuring that your website navigation accurately reflects your site structure. Through this simple drag-and-drop approach, WordPress automatically recognizes the new relationship and the selected page becomes a child page under its parent. And that's it. So that is how you can add a child page or subpage in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.